Hi there! In today's video, I will be speed cleaning my small kitchen. If you need some motivation to get up and tackle your own mess at home, keep on watching and clean with me. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and supporting me. I really appreciate it. If you are new to my channel, hello, my name is So. I am a working mom of one sweet boy and two crazy dogs. I would love to have you back here and join my YouTube family, so if you like this kind of video, please consider subscribing. I upload new one every single week. So here I'm just unloading my dishwasher so I can load it again for more new dishes. It's getting really late. I got up from work today, made our dinner, ate together, and now I'm just tidying up my kitchen. I just wanna speed clean my kitchen so at least when I wake up tomorrow morning, it's not a mess, because nothing is worse than waking up with a very messy kitchen. So my real focus here is to tidy up my counter, wipe it down, and absolutely clean my floor because there's a lot of footprints and paw prints and dog hair. I realized that I always ask you guys what is your least favorite chore, so now I'm gonna ask you what is your most favorite chore that you don't mind doing and that you enjoy doing. I'm really interested to know, so leave me a comment down below. I think my favorite chore is wiping mirrors. I don't know, it's just so satisfying for me. It's like it's dirty and then 2 seconds later, it's super shiny and clean. I love wiping mirrors. Inside of my microwave is still clean, so I didn't really pay much attention to it. My sink is looking really dull, so I'm just gonna deep clean this really quick with my dishwashing detergent and baking soda. This is what I use to deep clean my sink all the time, and it makes it look super shiny and new. I do use disposable gloves when I'm cleaning my sink with baking soda because I found that it makes my nail polish looking dull when I don't. groceries on the side. We just went shopping and right now I don't have space for that in my pantry. My pantry is such a mess and I know I definitely needs to clean it. So make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel and turn that notification bell on so you don't miss out when that video comes out if you're interested to see it. Here I'm setting up my coffee maker for tomorrow morning. I do this every single night because every morning when I wake up, I'm always rushing to go to work. So it's nice to know that I don't have to worry about my coffee. When I wake up in the morning, it's hot and ready for me. My dog likes to follow me around the house, that's why they're always on my videos if you're wondering. Now it's time to clean the floor. I get questions a lot of what kind of vacuum I'm using. This is the Dyson V10 Absolute. I will link it in the description box below if you guys want to check that out. it's time to mop the floor. I recently just got this Wet Jet spray mop by Sweeper, and I'm not sure if I really like it. It's quite heavy compared to my Ocedar spray mop, so I might return this. I'll let you guys know if you don't see this again on my next video. Oh my god, this is so satisfying. My floor is so shiny. I use this multi-purpose floor cleaner from Pledge. It's kind of like a gloss. My friend told me to use it and it makes my floor super shiny. I'm so happy. So everything is clean now, and when I wake up tomorrow morning, at least it's not messy, and that makes me super happy. Honestly, nothing really makes me happy but my clean house. I hope you find this video motivating and helpful to tackle your own mess at home. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell on so you don't miss out on my new future videos. Give this video a thumbs up and comment down below if you enjoy it, and share this to a friend to inspire them as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate you, and I will see you all again on my next video. Bye!